Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I'm reviewing the Clean Tea Dryer. This is a UV sterilizer and a dryer. When I saw this device, I contacted Clean Tea for them to sponsor this video, and they agreed to it. Yay! You might have heard the UV sterilizer is a technology to kill viruses. But on a toothbrush, since it will remain wet, it can gather other aerosols in a bathroom. Those aerosols floating around your bathroom, and most people share bathrooms, can then float around to your toothbrush, and because it's wet, moisture will grow bacteria and virus. The scientists at Clean developed this patented technology so you can put your toothbrush in and dry it. So therefore, it's UV sterilized and dried at the same time. So you just press the button, and it automatically goes on, and it'll go off after it's dried your toothbrush, and it'll be sterilized for your next use. Or you can manually turn it off by pressing the button and holding, just for an extra second. It comes in 4 different colors. I use the pink because it matches my shirt today. It'll hold any style of toothbrush. So after brushing your teeth, you just put the toothbrush in, you close it down, and you press the button. And if you travel, you can pack these up. They're super lightweight. By clicking the link, you can get this delivered to your door in this wonderful eco packaging. There's nothing plastic, nothing in there that cannot be recycled. It's all paper boxing. With the kit comes a USB charger. The tea dryer lets you sterilize 28 times from a single battery charge. The Clean Tea Dryer is a UVC sterilizer. That's the one that kills virus and bacteria. Because the light is housed in this plastic air dryer, it's not going to harm your children's eyes or anybody else looking at a UVC light. It comes with a mounting pad, and it's so easy. It comes with a red sticker and a white sticker. So peel the red sticker off. I'm going to place it right here on my wall, press it, and remove the white sticker. And on the back of the Clean Tea is the shape of the sticker with a little lip, so it adheres securely, just like that. Press again, and it easily opens. So you can place a heavy toothbrush right in it. After you use your toothbrush, you just press it on. And I'm just gonna leave it on until I need to use it. Just like that, it's just gonna hang on the wall in my bathroom. I had a friend come visit me, and she used another one of these toothbrushes, and she brushed her teeth. So when Sheila comes over next time, she can hang her toothbrush in the Clean Tea Dryer. It's great for families. And I love that there's so many colors of them because you can assign one to each person in your family. You don't have to share it. You could share it, but you don't have to share it. Every style of toothbrush will fit in the Clean Tea Dryer. The traditional method for sterilizing toothbrushes is to boil them or put them in the microwave for some time or to use chemicals on them. That is not convenient. It's a hassle to do that. You need to clean them every single time if you have a busy household. So this tea dryer is a must for every household, in my opinion. It's inexpensive, it doesn't take up much counter room, and it works to kill bacteria and viruses. And in a bathroom, that could mean E. coli, Staphylococcus aureus, Streptococcus mutans, Lactobacillus, Pseudomonas, Herpes simplex type 1, HPV, Candida. Bathrooms are just the hot spots for germs to live. You probably already know that. So it's more important than ever to make sure your toothbrush, which you're putting in your mouth every day, is clean and ready to go. And that's why I love this device. It comes with a Type-C cable with a charging port and USB, and it connects with that adapter. You simply plug a Type-C cable into a charging port and connect with an adapter, a laptop, a mobile power bank, or right into your wall, into your electrical circuit with the USB charger. It comes with that. It has a silicone cap that prevents UV leakage and avoid possible harm for humans from the UVC light. The Clean Tea Dryer will look beautiful in any bathroom. Please comment on this review and let me know what you think of this. Isn't this awesome? Let me know of any other things you want me to review. It's been really lovely. Thank you, Clean Tea, for sponsoring this video. I'm really enjoying reviewing products that help us fight the coronavirus and live safer lives. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel, and please click the bell to get notified of my next video. It's above you there. And let's keep making great recipes in life, like another recipe to keep us safer as we forge through this time in our lives. Bye. If you like this video, here's some more I thought you might like. They're over there. Just press them.